What's up guys, today I'm unboxing the new mechanical keyboard that I just bought. It is the Element Z-77 RGB mechanical keyboard. It has blue switches, but it is not Cherry MX, it is Outemu blue switch. So yeah, I bought it for 70 Singapore dollars, and this is what you'll see when you open the box. The keyboard, I bought the white version because it has a metallic finish on the base. Yep. So yeah, this is what you get. It comes in bubble wrap and the instruction manual. This is a keyboard, who needs the instruction manual? And oh yeah, it came with this too. I saw other reviews. I believe this is a armrest. Correct me if I'm wrong. So yeah, I'll be taking out the keyboard. And voila. Oh, it actually looks very stunning. It has a metallic brush finish on the bottom. And it actually sounds very similar to Cherry MX switches. It's a bit more tactile and slightly harder to push, but some people might like the harder feedback. So yeah, this is what it looks like. And this is the bottom. You get the, I'm not sure what logo is this. I think it's a Phoenix logo. I think there's a sticker to peel off. Yeah. Oh, now it looks awesome. Yeah, it looks very Corsairish. Hold on. And now we will go to the next part of the video. I'm going to plug in the switch now. This is what it looks like. Very nice. The way it starts up. Very awesome. Very tactile. Nice.